here's how you can share apps on the iPad. So let me talk about it. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and tutorials like this one. So of course, there are more levels to this. Like if you happen to be on your home screen and you want to share an app that you are using with somebody else, you can just hold down on it and click on the sharing option. So you can click on share app, and what this allows you to do is that it's going to give you the regular sharing options, but you can share the link to the app store so that other person can actually download the very same app. So you would either copy the link or airdrop it, but if you just click on airdrop, it's not like you're going to send over the whole installed app. You are only sharing a link to the app store so that other person can download the app, right? They also have to go through the setup process. They also have to double click the power button to scan their face or whatever and get the app from the app store. We cannot really get around that. However, the second approach to this is that if you go to the settings and find your account at the top, you might also have the family sharing setup. And if you go there, you will see likely your people that you are sharing it with, but you can as well share some things, some purchases, as well as subscriptions with them. So if you add people from your family to this section, you would, for example, pay for a family version of the Apple Music, and then the other people would also have access to that same thing. And that would be another way of sharing the app. Or you would purchase a paid app on the App Store, and those other people would also be able to get it for free since you already purchased that thing. So that is a different approach, but yeah, it's a little bit more in depth and it requires a little bit more setup, but it could work too. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. I really appreciate your feedback, and I hope to see you later in the future tutorials as well.